Mars, okay. Now, we got the planets going on, and today we're going to use our planets, click it please, in our song, and then after we learn our song, we're going to use it in our rhythm activity today. So I kind of have a little song, because I want to learn the planets in order, okay? So I sing it like this, and you're going to be my echo. My turn, your turn. Say, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.
They're up there hanging and chilling with the stars.
They're up there hanging and chilling with the stars.
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Suspended in air with the sun and the moon.
Suspended in the air with the sun and the moon.
Say, oh, we, oh.
Oh, we, oh.
Poor Pluto.
Poor Pluto.
Say, oh, we, oh.
Oh, we, oh.
Poor Pluto.
Poor Pluto.
And that makes me think of a book I've read before about poor Pluto. Why? You think you know why Miss CoCo is saying poor Pluto? Why?
Because he's a dwarf planet.
He's a dwarf planet, okay? Anything else you know? Why is he poor Pluto? Why are we feeling sad for him?
Because he's the last.
He's the last one, okay? Anything else? Mary Grace?
He's not considered as a planet.
He's not considered a real planet anymore, even though there is still some people arguing about that. Some people say, yes, he is a planet, and others are saying, no, he's not a planet. Well, we'll move on. Poor Pluto, we're not going to include him in our little planet rhythms today. Poor Pluto, okay? All right, continue, please, click. All right, we're going to use those planets to create our own rhythms today. And you're going to work in groups and centers to do this. All right, click it, thank you. All right, first let's review. First we do what? We match it. Very good, we're going to match it. We're going to use quarter notes, eighth notes, quarter rests, and triplets to match it to the planet name. And we use our what? Our chin test? To count the, what of the words?
Beats.
The beats or the syllables. Very good. All right, so let's try Venus. How many? Venus. Show me your answer. Show me 1 or 2 or 3. All right, I see 2. Click it. Let's see who got it right. Very good. Venus. Say Venus.
Venus.
Very good. Try Earth.
Earth.
Show me. What's your answer? Very good. Click it. Say Earth.
Earth.
Very nice. All right, how about Jupiter? Show me.
Jupiter.
How many syllables are in Jupiter? Very good. All right, click it. I see most of the right answer. Say Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Very good. Try Mars. Try that one.
Mars.
All right, good. Click it. 1 beat. Say Mars.
Mars.
How about Saturn?
Saturn.
How many? Good. Click it. We got Saturn. All right. Who's this?
He's a silent beat.
He's the quiet rest. Very good. Show me what to do. Good. All right. How about Neptune?
Neptune.
How many? Very good. Say Neptune.
Neptune.
Okay. Mercury.
Mercury.
How many? 3. Ooh, most people say 3. Did I say it 2? Maybe I did. Oh, okay. Click it. Let's see who got it right. Mercury. Mercury. Say Mercury.
Mercury.
Very good. All right. So after we match it, we what? Say it. Now, you're going to have a little pointer like me. I'm going to use this today. But you're going to have a pointer just like me because you're going to be me today. You get to be the student and the teacher. All right, ready? Say it.
Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Neptune, Mercury.
All right, and I liked how I heard someone almost say Neptune here, and they stopped themselves because they realized this is a what? A silent part, yeah, and they have to show me that quarter rest quiet spot. So I like how they stopped and corrected themselves. That's good. All right, very nice. After we match it, say it, what do we do next?
Clap it.
Clap it. Ready, class? Clap it.
Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn,
Good.
Neptune.
Now, evaluate yourselves. What do you say? Oh, you're congratulating yourselves, but you also evaluate yourselves. Remember our evaluation system? Remember a 1 means you did really, really what?
Good.
What's a 2? A couple of little mistakes. Good. And then 3.
That means more than one mistake.
More than a couple of mistakes, so we want to do it again. Do you think we need to do it again? No, we clapped it pretty well. So show me what you got. Give yourself a score. Do you give yourself a 1 or a 2 or a 3? All right, good. I give you all a 1. The whole group gets a 1 because that was awesome. There were no mistakes. I didn't hear any. After you say it, clap it, then what? Play it. And we're going to talk about that in my group demo, okay? All right, so good job on a review. Click it, please. All right, say, I can create.
I can create.
Match, say, clap, and play.
Match, say, clap, and play.
The picture rhythms.
The picture rhythms.
Okay, and what is the new step that's in there?
Create.
Create. Very good. We're going to create it. You're going to get to be me, and you're going to put the pictures down and make your group say it, clap, match it, say it, clap it, and play it. All right, click it. Now, our groups are the green aliens, okay? We have the red rockets. You see your red rocket around on your lanyard, okay? Have the yellow stars. We have our yellow stars, good. And then the blue comets. Any blue comets out here? I think we have several. Yeah, very good. Orange astronauts. All right, and then the last group is what? The purple spaceships. Very good. And those are on your lanyard so you will know what group you're in. All right, click it. Before we go to our groups, click it. We have group expectations. Let's recite these. Say, I will get along with my group.
I will get along with my group.
I will respect the people in my group.
I will respect the people in my group.
And the materials.
And the materials.
I will stay on task.
I will stay on task.
Use a quiet voice.
Use a quiet voice.
Participate.
Participate.
And stay with my group.
And stay with my group.
Very good. Okay, so those are the group expectations. If you have a problem, who could you ask first?
Your group.
Your group members. Very good. And then if it gets to where no one knows what the answer is to your problem, what could you do?
Raise your
Raise your hand. Very good. All right, that's good. That's called problem solving. All right, click it. Now, I am going to do a quick demonstration down here. So I'm going to let you move down here and you move down here so you can see a little bit better. All right, and if you notice in this area, okay, we have our picture card. Okay, this is where you'll place your pictures and then match it down at the bottom. If you notice, it's a lot longer now. Okay, last time you only had one card, right? Now it's even longer. Okay, how many spaces are you going to have to fill? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In all, it's 16, right? But you only put down 8 pictures, and then you put the matching cards at the bottom, just like you did before, except for now it's more. Okay, all right. So if you notice, this color is blue. So I am going to call my blue, who has the blue on? The blue comets? Blue comets, come down and sit. You are going to be my demonstration group. Come on, blue comets. All right. Now, I, right now, am the teacher. Now, I'm going to pretend that I had a blue comet lanyard around my neck, too. And mine would say number 1, because we know that the number order, okay, number 1 will sit and be the teacher what? First, okay? So who's the real number 1? Oh, that's you. So you're going to go after me, aren't you? And who's going to be after you? Number what? 2. Oh, that's her. Who's going to be next? 3, and then 4. Oh, I'm sorry. You're the only guy in this group, aren't you? All right. Now, this is going to be your pointer, okay? So it's a little music pencil, space kind of theme there, too. And then over here you have your box of cards with the planets, okay? And you also have your matching notes on the other side. I kind of drew a line down the middle so you would know where they belong. You don't have to go running everywhere trying to find everything. Over here, I have a box full of what?
Instruments.
And I took your advice. I put in some different instruments. We've got some different instruments in here than last time. Some are the same, some are different, okay? Because I wanted you to have a little more fun with that. All right, so class, back behind me here is the task card. The task card tells you what to do. I also have it, I also have it up on the board behind me. What are we going to do first? Create it. But next to it, it says teacher only. So who's going to create it?
You.
Very good. So I'm going to quickly, you notice that word? Quickly, just throw down some pictures. And I also also threw the moon and the sun in there too, so we could have a little space theme. Okay, now after we create it, what are you going to tell your group to do? Match it. Follow your test card. It says match it. All right, so you're going to use your pointer. You're going to look at your group and say match it. Jupiter, how many? 3. Very good. Jupiter has 3. Okay. Uh-oh, match it. Oh, that's a what? A rest. Very good. All right, Neptune. 2. Show me. Neptune. Yes, very good. Okay, I was just making sure. I only had one person telling me. All right, how about Mercury?
3.
Mercury. Yeah, very good. Got 3. Mercury. All right, who's this? A rest. Again, thank you. How about Moon?
1.
Moon has 1. Very good. Earth.
1.
1 again. All right, and how about the Sun?
1.
Sun. 1. Very good. All right. Now we've got it. We did create it. We did match it. What's next?
Say it.
Say it. You're going to look at your group. Say, ready? You use your pointer. Say it.
Jupiter. Neptune. Mercury. Moon. Earth. Sun.
Very good. All right. After they say it, what are they going to do? Clap it. Okay, ready? Clap it.
Jupiter. Venus.
All right. When they start to mess up, you can stop and start over again. And they need to say it and clap it aloud at the same time. It'll help your clapping a little better. Yeah. There. All right, ready? Go. Jupiter, Neptune, Mercury, Moon, Earth, Sun. Very good. Ah, it's a little more challenging than last time, isn't it? Okay, very good. After that, they get to what?
Play it.
Play it. Now, remember the rule. Pick one instrument at a time. That gives everyone a chance and a turn. Very good. But, if you run out of different options, you can start over again. Now, here's our lollipop drum, okay? And we've got our what? Maraca. Very good. We got our boom whackers and our little egg shaker. These are just little clapping blocks, okay? All right, so I'm going to let you pick. Oh, no, that was a little loud, wasn't it? And they have to pick what? Quick. Pick quick. All right, now what do I tell them?
Play
Play it. Yeah, that's right. On my task card it says play it. Ready? Play it. Jupiter, Neptune, Mercury, Moon, Earth, Sun. Very good. All right, I only heard one mistake. And I might even ask my group, hey, I heard one mistake. What happened? Where's my mistake? Where was my mistake on? Oh, very good. And what are we supposed to do on that part? A rest. Now, I'd still give my group, I'd still give you a 1 because I only heard one little mistake, and that would still be a good grade on your test. Okay? All right. So after that, okay, if you want to though, you can have your group replay it. Okay? Use your teacher ears and eyes, and you figure out what you want to do. All right, and then I pick up all my planets, pick up all of my notes, get my little, where's my little thingy go? There it is. You get this, and you hand it to the next one. You're next. Okay? They're the next teacher. Now where do I go?
Where she's sitting.
Exactly. We rotate out of position. So now I get to be the what? The student. Very good. All right. So are there any questions about what to do?
No, ma'am.
Before I tell them they may start and put you in your groups.
No, ma'am.
Last thing I want to say. When you hear this sound, okay? When you hear the space sound, the outer space flying through space, it is time to put everything up and come back to your seat. All right. Does everybody understand? All right. Very good. All right. So this group, you may go ahead and continue. And I need the yellow. Where's my yellow stars over here? Okay. You may get started. I need my purples over here. Purples. And over here I need my greens. Green aliens are in group number 3. Up in the front, I need my red rockets. And over here in the corner, I need my orange group.
Okay.
Very nice. You may begin as soon as you get with your group.
I shall be on stage.
Create it, match it, say it, clap it, play it. Want to turn? Yes, very good. You want to turn around so you can read it. Pick quick. You only have 2 in your group. Quick, quick, quick. Pick, 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 pick. There you go. Very good. You need to turn that purple thing, turn the purple board around and let it face them. Yeah. Face it towards them. It's going to face them, so you're behind it. There you go. So it's a little backwards for you. There you go. Now you got it. All right. Oh. All right. Now what are you going to tell your group to do?
Match it.
All right. Use your pointer.
Mercury, Earth.
1. All right. Very good. There you go. See, you got it. You're in there.
Ready?
That's enough. Switch it out.
Okay. Okay, now we gotta
Very good. Now, after you match it, what are you going to do? Say it. All right, tell them. Ready, say it.
Jupiter, Saturn. Clap it.
Now, I think this is an opportunity because Joseph, this is his first time really being in music class. So you need to show him, maybe demonstrate to your student that might have some struggling going on, show him the right way to do it. So can you show him how to clap what you made? Go ahead and show him. Show him how to clap it. Put your pointer down. There you go. Show him how to do it. There you go. There you go. You got it now, Joseph? Okay, and try to stay together. There you go. All right, let's try that again. Let's try that again. Say clap it. Ready, go. Uranus, Earth. Say it with it, Joseph. Mercury, Mars, Moon, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus. Much better. Awesome. Very good. All right, you switching? You switched out? Good. Mercury. Oh, I love your coffee. All right. Clear it all up and put your instruments up. Yeah. Too many shots. All right. Use the hand swipe. I just swipe across and wipe them all off and get them together. There you go. One last one back there. Who's next? All right, go Caleb.
One silent E.
Yeah, there you go. Whoops. Your students are telling you the answer. That happens to me all the time.
3, 1, 2. It's super It's not my fault, they said 3. Oh wait, Jupiter, Neptune.
Are y'all saying it together? Say it together.
Point at it.
You got a point, yeah. Ready? Go. Jupiter, Neptune, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Saturn. There you go. Now what?
No, it goes.
Clap it.
No, it goes. Saturn.
Saturn. Very good.
Hold on, what does it say?
Good. I love show them. Jupiter.
They both got that one.
You're Rene'e. Yeah. Very good. That's a good teacher thing to do. Demonstrate. Model. Okay. Here's your read it. Look. Yeah. You gotta show it. Oh my gosh! Ready? Wait. Alright, good job. How do you feel about that, Amanda? Okay, tell them where it was. Show them. You show them, yeah. Okay, and what do you want them to do? Because they're going to do what there? What do they need to do there? Exactly. Okay, no sound. All right, you ready? Say, you got to tell them. You got to say, ready, play it. Tell them. Ready, wait till she says. Moon, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Mars, Uranus, Neptune. How do you feel about that, Amanda? Much better? Well, tell your group. Tell your students. How are your students? Okay, good.
Match it. Ready? This time, the sun, Mercury, Mars, Neptune.
Now you're getting good at this, aren't you? You kind of automatically know now, don't you? Good.
Play it. Mercury,
Good, Jonathan. There you go. Okay, now, what are you going to do next, Jonathan? Tell them to match it. Use your pencil. Your pointer. Don't tell them the answer. 3, okay. What's next? Mercury. What many, y'all? 3. Yeah, don't go too far ahead, because then you'll have to. How many suns is?
Mercury, Neptune, Earth, Venus, 1, Jupiter.
You might want to say ready, clap it better. Neptune, Venus, Sun, Saturn, Moon, Earth. That was terrible. I messed up on the moon. Didn't I? Somebody do that again. Tell them to clap it again. Ready, go.
Sun, Saturn, Venus, Neptune,
Nice turn. Maybe you stay too long on the rest. They're like sitting there waiting for you. How do you feel about that? You give them a 3? Sit down. You gotta tell them why. Don't, remember we don't want to say names.
and because
Okay. All right, awesome job. You did a really good job, and I know it was a little more difficult, but you managed to just work your way through it, okay? All right, so let's compare and contrast. Teacher versus student. Which role did you prefer most? Did you prefer teacher or student? So, raise your hand if you preferred the student experience more. You like being the student more. Okay. Raise your hand if you like the teacher experience more. Oh, we're about half and half. Now I want to know why. I want to know why. Let me use this is my number cup, and it has your seat number on. Number 13. Oh, that's a ghost. Number 10. Oh, there's number 10. Which one did you pick, student or teacher?
Student.
And why did you prefer that
Because
most?
we got to play it, and when you're a teacher, you didn't get to play it.
Oh, so he says because he liked playing, and that was his favorite part, so that's why he liked being the student. And when you were the teacher, you couldn't sit there and play it. Why couldn't you play while you're the teacher?
Because you got to listen.
Because you had to what?
Listen.
Listen and watch. Yeah, and in your mind, you're rating your students, aren't you? Okay, very good. I saw some of y'all doing that very well. All right, number 11. Oh, which did you like best?
I like the teacher.
Okay, the teacher side. Why did you like the teacher side the best?
I like the teacher side the best because you got to create it, and you got to just like show the kids how to do it, show the students how to do the rhythm and match it and clap it, and you just got to.
You had a lot of jobs, didn't you? Yeah. And did the task card help? Did y'all who looked at the task card? Raise your hand if you looked at the task card to kind of try to remember. Very good. All right, very nice. That's kind of like your little lesson plan, wasn't it? Yeah. It's a good thing we had that lesson plan. All right. What would you give to this activity or take away? What's something that you would do different with this activity? Something different. What would you do? Maybe like, think about instruments. Is there anything we could do different with the instruments? Does anybody want to help him?
Take out the boom whackers?
Oh, take out the boom whackers. What could we do then after we take them out?
Leave them out.
Leave them out. Leave them out. Does anybody have any idea what else we could do when we pull out those boom whackers? What else could we do?
We could put the egg rollers in.
Okay, put more eggs in. Okay, so we can switch out instruments. You have something to add?
You can take out the rattle because when you're going on the stop silent beat, it still makes a noise.
Who agrees with that? Thumbs up if you agree with what he just said. And I heard the group struggling with that. They said somebody played on the rest, and they said no. It was because they had that rattly instrument. I know, I heard that happen, but I heard it in 2 groups today. So he's talking about those rattly things that won't be quiet on the what? Rest. Good idea. Hey, I think next time I'll take out the rattly
I
instruments.
say you should just right before the rest. You should hurry up, put it down, and then do it. And
Hurry up and put it down and then rest? Oh, that would be kind of hard. I don't know.
Put it down
We might hear you put it down. Yeah. Okay, well that's good. All right. Yes, sir.
we can take out the eggs, and we can put a flute.
Oh, put a flute in there?
Yeah, put in the flute.
Oh, like the
Start
recorders?
playing flute.
That would be an interesting thing. You know that next year when you learn recorder, we will actually do something like this with the recorder.
I've seen a 5th grade in here.
So you're looking ahead. You saw the 5th graders with them, and what